In this video, I will show you how to create the small 10x10 LED matrix that can display mesmerizing animations, ladders, and everything you can think of, because it is rather simple to program code for the utilized WS2812B LEDs and the Arduino Nano microcontroller through the Fast LED library.
Hello, Dan here from To Mechatronics.com. In this tutorial, we will learn how to build an Arduino-based RC hovercraft. I will show you the entire process of building it, starting from designing and 3D printing the hovercraft parts, including the propellers, to connecting the electronics components and programming the Arduino. For controlling the hovercraft, I used my DIY Arduino-based RC transmitter, which I made in one of my previous videos. I set the right joystick to control the servo motor for positioning the rudders on the back side of the thrust motor, set one of the potentiometers to control the lift propeller, which is actually attached on a brushless DC motor, and set the left joystick to control the propulsion.
In this video, I will show you how I created this rather interesting looking metal construction, which is in fact a persistence of vision RGB LED globe. That means we got 38 addressable RGB LEDs in total, which rotate rapidly in a spherical shape in order to create an optical illusion which manifests itself as a complete spherical picture. This way you can create an intriguing looking eye catcher by utilizing different shapes and colors, or even write letters with it. So let's not waste any more time and let's get started with the build. Making a cocktail for yourself once in a while is certainly an easy task. But as soon as you got guests coming over and everyone wants the same cocktail, all that measuring for a sea breeze cocktail, which consists of 2 parts vodka, 4 parts cranberry juice and 2 parts grapefruit juice, can be quite annoying. That is why I created this crude but functional cocktail machine, which automatically pours all the liquids in a glass after you entered the amount of each of them in milliliters. Now my machine is programmed to pump out sea breeze cocktails one after the other, but by simply changing the bottles and adjusting a bit of Arduino code, you can pretty much create any cocktail you like with this machine. So without wasting any more time, let me show you how it works and how you can make your own. Let's get started.
Hello, Dan here from HowToMechatronics.com, and in this video I will show you how I built an Arduino based 3D wire bending machine. This is actually a typical mechatronics system because it involves mechanical, electrical and computer engineering. I believe many engineering students or anyone who's new into mechatronics would find this video interesting. Personally, I really enjoyed making this project and I'm even more excited about explaining in details how it works and how you can build one yourself. So first, the wire goes through a series of rollers or straighteners. Using a stepper motor, the wire is precisely fed to the bending mechanism, which also uses a stepper motor as well as a small servo for the bending process. There's also another stepper motor called the Z-axis, which actually enables the machine to create the three-dimensional forms. Of course, the brain of the machine is an Arduino board, which along with the other components is attached on a custom designed PCB. As for the program, I made few custom functions for making various shapes like a star, a cube and a simple stand, as well as a manual mode where we can make the wire forms by entering commands through the serial monitor.